Good afternoon, viewers. Once again, I am Raju Upadhyay from CIMAGE College, Patna, Department of IT. Today, I am going to talk about the demo aspects of unary operator called plus plus and minus operator. Right. So again, I brief little bit. In C programming language, we are having two operators like increment, which can be denoted as plus plus, and decrement denoted by minus minus. To change the value of an operand, that is, that operand can be constant or variable by 1. Increment, that is plus plus operator, increases the value by 1, whereas decrement, that is minus minus, decreases the value by 1. These two operators are unary operators, meaning they only operate on a single operand, right? So I'm going to discuss this thing practically. So I'm going to share my screen, right? I'm going to share my screen and I'll share with you people, right? So I'm going to share my screen. Wait for a minute. I hope my screen is visible now. So I'll be writing a small code out here, right? So as a code I'm going to write, as usual, we have to write hash include stdi.h. Within this, I'll be writing int main. And within this main, I'm going to declare certain variables. Let's say I've declared a variable int a equal to 10 and e equal to 100, right? And after that, I'm going to declare two pair of float variable. Float, let's say I write c equal to 10.5 and then d equal to 100.5, right? So four different variables we have declared. Now, one by one, we are going to learn this. So in order to get the value calculated and printed, let us write statement called printf. Printf, this is the function by which we can print something on the screen. So user-friendly message I'm going to print like a equal to, right, a equal to, then in order to print anything on the screen, my format specification has to be %d in case of decimal, right? So here, after that, I'll be writing comma, and comma, here I'll write pre-increment plus a, right? So this is going to print the value of pre-increment of a. And then in order to put my cursor on the next line, I'll write \n. Let us go for pre-decrement operator, right? So here I'll write printf. Here I'll decrement the value of b variable. So I'll be writing p equal to %d \n, and then I'll write comma minus b, right? So this is going to give the decremented value of b, that is 99. Then I'll go for another increment or decrement of operator for this floating variable. So here I'll be writing printf. Within this, c equal to %f, because format specification for the float is %f, comma, here I can write plus c, and then we'll write printf. Now the value of d is going to be decremented by 1. So d equal to percentage f, comma, minus minus t. Right. After that, we have to execute, we have to compile, and then we have to run. So let us save this file having a file name as increment.c, and then just you can notice the output out here. In this particular output, you can notice out here we are having the value of A equal to 11, the value of B equal to 90, 99, the value of C is equal to 11.5, and then 5 times 0. Now, I need to mention out here, I forgot to write \n. I'll write the \n for the clarity purpose. Again, if I run this, now you can see the proper output out here. I hope my screen is visible. So let me re-verify whether it is displayed or not. Yes, it is visible. Right. So here, we are getting A equal to 11 because initial value of A was 10. So 10 is incremented by 1, so it is becoming 11. And for the B, we have written minus minus B. So first of all, it has incremented the value of B by 1. That means initial value was 100. So by decrementing by 1, it has become 99. For the C, again for the C, we are going to increase the value of sample 1. Right. So here, earlier the value of C was 10.5. So it has become 11.5 since it is a floating point data type. So after decimal, it will display 6 decimal places. And for D variable, it is going to decrement the value by 1. So earlier it was having 100.5. So it will display 99.5. So this was a small demo for increment as well as decrement with 2 different data type called integer and float. So that's all for the day. Right. And I'll be coming with the next video of C language with new concepts. Thanks for watching this particular video.